kind of help them get some better quality food, really, food production in those animals. But we're also seeing, so in the poultry industry, they work within lines, genetic lines, which are for, those lines specialize in certain kinds of traits. It might be the meat trait, or it might be the egg laying, or it might be some other trait. It might be a female line or a male line. And what we're seeing in the turkey industry, that there's genetic differences in vitamin D between the lines. So now we've got two separate lines of evidence that clearly shows if you wanted to, you could also breed for more efficient vitamin D utilization. So, and this is why, because we're seeing this in our research too, is that not everybody, so many people will say, oh, I take 5,000 international units of vitamin D a day, I'm good. And we say, well, you better test, because in our experience, no two individuals are the same. And now we understand why, because this whole system is under genetic control, and it's linked to immunity. So everybody, test, don't guess. And then back to just keep going on the animal side for a little bit. And I'll talk to you about, let's say, sheep and horses, because these are grazing animals. Two things there that we notice is a seasonal effect. So because these animals are grazers, they're getting the vitamin D2. They don't get it the same amount from the sun. They can get some, but they're not efficient at that. They're getting most of their vitamin D literally from the grass. And that's the D2, as you know. But what happens is that the grass quality deteriorates as you get into fall. And these animals, particularly the horses, are brought inside often, and they're fed hay.